Alvin, and this video is about exercises which we supposed to do before and after cycling. So cycling is becoming one of the familiar activity nowadays, and many people are getting into cycling, and they wanted to do more in cycling to reduce their belly fat, or to build their endurance skills, or to build their stronger muscles. So I could see there are a lot of beginners getting into cycling nowadays, and it's also important that it's not only we should stick with only cycling, and we should start the cycling with some warm up exercise, and we should end the cycling with by doing some stretching exercise. So that is more essential, because at the start many people will think that they wanted to do everyday cycling, like they are at least a 20 kilometer or 30 or 50, or even some people beyond that. But our body should be very active to get ready to the next step for the workout. So for that, this stretching is very essential, because after the hard workout the muscles will get stiff, and you will feel fatigued, and our muscles and the back will get stressed. So to relax that, this stretching exercise will help. So straight away we will get into the exercises. Before start of cycling, what you supposed to do? And before start of cycling, you no need to stretch yourself too much. You gentle warm up is enough. So first one is stand tall. See, stand straight and raise your hands, and just push yourself above. Okay, hold your breath in. See, once again I do. Hold your breath in, push yourself above, and even you can raise your legs also. Okay, this one. And the second one is the same, but keep your knees little looser, and stand on your heels, not on your toes, and keep your knees little front, and take your hands and just gently push forward by raising your shoulder little above, and your glutes at backwards like this. Okay, see, I'll show it to you once again, and this is at the beginning. Then just push your shoulders and your glutes at the back, and your palm forward like this. Okay, so this is one exercise. And the third one is squat. So squat, many people knows this. Why this squat? To strengthen your glutes and your thigh muscles. To warm up those two areas, you just do 5 squats. Okay, so when doing a squat, do not bend your knees forward, which means you should not go beyond your foot. So keep it straight, keep your legs little apart, bring your shoulders and hands front, and just do 5 squats. So this is third one. The fourth one is plank. So plank, will lie down on the floor. Many people know this, how to do the plank. So just lie down and support your forearms and toes, and raise your back, keep your head straight. Hold it for 30 seconds. Why this exercise? So this one is help to strengthen your back and hip region and your body posture. So use this as a warm up. Fifth one is bridge. So lie down like this and place your palms on the mat. Raise your leg and bring your foot close to your thigh, and just raise. Tighten your glutes. This portion you have to tighten when you are rising your leg. So this is bridge. Hold it for 15 or 20 seconds. Okay, like this. So this is bridge, and this you can do it by one leg also, like this. And change of leg. So when you are raising up, you have to tighten your glutes. Okay. So these are the 5 basic workouts which you can do at the start of cycling. That means before you go to start your cycling activity, and gently warm up yourself by doing these exercises. And in addition to it, you can do it like head rotation or your wrist. Okay, so this stretching you can anyway, you can do it in addition to it. But normally when you are doing a cycle at the start, so do it in a low gear. Don't do it in a high gear at the start, maybe for 1 or 2 kilometers or even 3 kilometers, and slowly go for your normal pace or a high pace or an endurance manner. Thank you. Hi friends. Now we will see the post cycling exercise, which means stretching exercise mainly, because after the hard workout of 1 hour or 2 hour or beyond ride, or we wanted to do every day like 20 or 30 or even 50, our muscles will get stiff and soreness, and we will feel more fatigued around the hip and back region. So this stretching exercise will help us to get relaxed. Our muscles will get relaxed, and we can get back to our day-to-day activities, and our body, we can prepare our body muscles, and we can prepare ourselves for the next day workout. So we will go for the post cycling exercises. So first we will do it what I was supposed to do in the standing position. So this is for the arm swing. Raise your leg, bend your knee, stand tall, straight, and hold it for 10 seconds. And then change the leg. And then bring your both the hands forward and keep your knees little bent and stretch forward. Push your glutes back. And this you can do it, and this way around also. Keep your hip and up to your knee area straight, and just bend forward. Third exercise, lie down on the floor. Keep your hands like this and bring your legs. Raise your foot and just turn it to one end like this. Hold it for 10 seconds or 15 or 20. So this stretching will help to relax the muscles around your spine and your hamstring area. Then you can do it at the other side. So whenever you are doing this, your head should be at the opposite side. So this is one exercise. Fourth exercise. Lie down in this position and bring your forearms. Lift your one leg. Take your parallel hand and just hold it for in this position for a while, like 10 seconds. Change your leg. Hold it for 10 seconds. And then raise both the legs. Hold it at your ankle area using your both hands. Just raise yourself. Keep your head straight. Hold it for 10 seconds and then relax. So this is seventh exercise. Back stretch. So you have to lift your chin above the ceiling like this. Hold it for 10 seconds, then relax. Eighth one, hamstring exercise, which means hamstring. Many people will have the issue in their hamstring when they are doing a rides or long rides. So lie down in this position, lift your one leg, hold it at 90 degree. This many find it difficult by doing without a support. So you can use an elastic band, which means a resistant band like that. So just I am using this inch tape. So think this as a resistant band, and then just raise your leg and hold it for at 90 degree. Or even you can bring it beyond 90 degree also. That's even helpful to you. So try to do that. So don't bend your knees, keep it straight. And so even if you want to lift your forearms and bring like this, so you can. And hold it for 10 seconds. And change your leg. Hold it for 10 seconds. Then relax. Ninth exercise. This is for your thoracic muscles, which means which is there at your back of spine, around the spine muscles, and then your glutes. So sit in this position, bring one leg, take it to the other side of the leg, which means like I brought my right leg and take it cross over to the left leg, keep it like this, bring your forearm and gently push your glutes and then look in this way. Hold it for 10 seconds, then relax. Bring the another leg. Keep it in crossover position. Take your forearm. Then gently push your glutes and twist your thoracic muscles. And even you can do it by folding your legs also. See, when you are doing a crossover in your one leg, and this leg can be kept folded in. So this will give even push on your glutes and your spine. So I'll show it to you this way. Keep your hands, leg, forearm like this. Okay, so this is one exercise. And then calf stretch. So calf is this region. So how we can stretch these calves? We can stand like this or on the wall. Keep your toe little raised and support your heel. Just come forward. And don't bend your knees, keep it straight. Change your leg. Don't bend your knees. Keep it straight. Stand on your heels. Keep your foot inclined and go forward like this. See, from this position you are just pushing yourself close to the wall. Okay. The last one is for the neck and head. Fold your hands at back of your at your back side and just gently turn it back. Stand straight. Then keep your head down. Hold it for 10 seconds. Okay. Yeah. So that's it about post cycling stretching exercises. Thank you.